Then number 5, HR analytics. Look, with HR analytics, we need to be able to provide the customer with ways to make things transparent. All of these employees have managers, companies are trying to drive their business forward, and they need to have transparency to make the best business decisions for their organization. So, number one, they have all of their dashboards in Teams. So they can analyze, they can see it, and the great thing is it's in real time. And then, of course, with our integration to Microsoft 365 and the productivity tools, all of this data in real time can be exported to Excel. And then another nice aspect is Dynamics Excel spreadsheets, meaning these Excel spreadsheets can be pulled down one time from the solution and they always stay connected to Dynamics HR management. So a lot of our customers use this as a way to do payroll. They create a spreadsheet, pull it down from HR for Dynamics, and then they simply keep it connected. And every pay period, they go in, hit refresh, and the data is updated in real time. And then, of course, for advanced analytics, maybe a cross platform, reaching out to other applications from Microsoft, you can use Power BI.